Hello everyone. Let's deal with this equation. We have 6x squared plus 6 equals 15x. So how do we deal with this problem? This is quadratic, but this is not how it should be arranged. So to fix it better, we have 6x squared. This will come first, 15x. Then this is plus 6. And then this is now equal to 0. Because the 15x has been shifted to the left hand side. Now you can decide to deal with this, or you reduce this to a simpler equation. 3 is common to all of them, so I can divide this by 3, divide this by 3, divide this by 3, and I can even divide 0 by 3. So that this will go there, and I have 2x squared. Minus this will go here, and I have 5x. Plus this will go there, and I have 2. So this is now equal to 0, because 0 divided by 3 is 0. Now from here, what again can I do? Remember that for us to factorize this type of an equation, would have to multiply what we have here by this imaginarily. Okay, so when we do that, this multiplied by this will give us 4. Okay, this 4 is imaginary because it will not appear in this equation. So the question is, what two numbers do we multiply to get 4, and that we will put them together to get minus 5? Two numbers will be minus 4 and minus 1, right? Minus 4 minus 1, because minus 4 times minus 1 will give us 4, and then minus 4 minus 1 will give us minus 5. So this means that I'm going to have 2 to the power of x, 2x to the power of 2 minus, in place of 5, I'll write 4x, then minus 1x. But there's no point writing the 1. Then we have plus 2. Everything is equal to 0. Now, what again can I do? We can group into 2 and then factorize. 2 is common, and then x is common to this 2. So I write x into bracket. Here is only x that will be left, minus 2 into 4 is 2. Then x into x will cancel itself. Then minus 1, that is the coefficient of x, into, here we have x. This negative will affect this positive, and it turns to negative. Then we have 2. Close the bracket, and everything is equal to 0. Now, let's pick out the common factor, which is x minus 2. Then here we'll be left with 2x. And then here we have minus 1. This is equal to what? 0. Now we can apply zero product rule, as x minus 2 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 plus 2, or 2x is equal to 0 plus 1. Okay, so this is what we have. And then what can I do from here? Very quickly. So we're going to have x to be equal to 2 on this side, or on this side 2x is equal to 1. Now x here remains 2, or x here is equal to 1 over 2. So we can conclude that our x is equal to 2 or 1 over 2. Now let's put these two values of x into the equation, which is 6x squared plus 6 being equal to 15x. If I put in 2 as x, then I'll have 6 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 plus 6. Do you think this will be equal to 15 multiplied by 2? Now let's go. This is 2 squared is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Then we have plus 6. And then on the other side, we have 15 times 2. 15 times 2 is 30. Now, what is 24 times 6? It is also 30. So, we have 30 on both sides, meaning that our x to be equal to 2 is very satisfying. Now, let's go straight to the second value of x, which is 1 over 2. Now, this means I'll be having 6 into bracket 1 over 2 to the power of 2 plus 6 equal to 15 into bracket 1 over 2. Now, do you think they are equal? I want to circle this because they may not be equal, right? Now, let's continue. From here, we have 6 multiplied by 1 squared is 1 over 2 squared is 4. Then we have plus 6. On the other side, we are having 15 over 2. That is the half of, that is 15 multiplied by 1 over 2, right? Okay, so from here we have 6 over 4 plus 6 being equal to, okay, let's get this in decimal form. This is giving us 7.5, right? Then this is 6 over 4, which is the same thing as 3 over 4 over 2, right? Then we have plus 6 equal to or not equal to 7.5, as the case may be. But then divide 3 by 2. If you divide 3 by 2, you will be having 1.5. Then 1.5 plus 6. Do you think this is equal to 7.5? Okay, I think it's yes, because 1.5 plus 6 will give us 7.5, and this is equal to 7.5 on the other side. This is very correct. And this is to confirm that x to be equal to 2 is satisfying the equation, and equally x to be equal to 1 over 2 is satisfying the equation. Thank you very much for following to the end, and if you've learned something new, please do well to share to your friends and equally subscribe to my YouTube channel. We upload videos like this every time, almost 3 or 4 times a day. Thank you for watching.